Hello, in this video I want to show you how to save image settings on your Insta360 Link webcam. And to do this you'll need to get Insta360 Link controller app. I shown you previously on how to download it. Now we just need to go for image settings. Here adjust the settings to your liking and click on save preset. Now the presets should be saved, and each time you reset the settings, you'll be able to bring them back to this state. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.